This video will showcase you the Nakanoshima Rose Garden in the land of Osaka, which is located in the east side of the park. Across the 500-meter-long area, extending from east to west, nearly 4,000 roses bloom every year, which have nearly 310 types of roses that paint the garden with reds, purples, whites, yellows, and more. The best time to see the roses is in the spring season. When the spring breeze runs through the roses while in full bloom, the blooms emit a sweet aroma while swaying beautifully in the wind. The scent of the roses and their beautiful colors fill the air within the garden. The fantasy-like atmosphere of this garden, filled with numerous blossoms in many colors, will simply leave you speechless. Do you know your favorite roses? Which one do you like best? To find out the names or the different types of roses from around the world, catch my premiere this coming Sunday, 9th of May, 2021, 10 p.m. Manila Time, 11 p.m. Tokyo Time. See you there!